Conditionals 0 and first. Learn how to talk about real situations and possibilities. What are conditionals? We use conditional sentences to talk about the result of a condition. A condition is a situation that must exist so that something else can happen. 0 and first conditionals are sentences with if which describe things that are always true, things that are possible in the future. 0 conditional. When do we use it? We use the 0 conditional to talk about things that are generally true, laws and facts, for example, and for things that always happen as a result of something else. 0 conditional. Structure. The structure of the 0 conditional is usually conditional clause. If, when, plus subject, plus present simple, comma. Main clause. Subject, plus present simple. Examples. 0 conditional. If water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If you don't eat, you feel hungry. If students study, they pass exams. First conditional. When do we use it? The first conditional refers to the future. We use it to talk about future results that are likely to happen. While we can't always predict the future correctly, we can say what is possible and what is likely to happen. We often use the first conditional to talk about future plans, promises, threats and warnings. First conditional. Structure. The structure of the first conditional is usually conditional clause. If, when, plus subject, plus present simple, comma. Main clause. Subject, plus will, plus base verb. Examples. First conditional. If she calls me, I will answer. If they are late, we will start without them. If you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. Alternatives to if, 0 conditional. When I'm tired, I go to bed early. Unless you study, you won't pass. Equals. If you don't study, you won't pass. As soon as she arrives, we will eat. As soon as means at the same time or immediately after. In case. Take an umbrella in case it rains. In case means because there is a possibility of this happening. Alternatives to if, first conditional. When. We'll start the lesson when everyone arrives. Unless you hurry, you'll miss the bus. As long as. I'll lend you my bike as long as you take care of it. Provided that. You can watch TV provided that you finish your homework first. In case. I'll write down my phone number in case you forget it. Summary. 0 conditional. Facts, always true. If, plus present simple, comma, present simple. First conditional. Real future possibilities. If, plus present simple, comma, will, plus verb. Alternatives for, if. Unless. As soon as. When. In case. If you practice, you will learn faster. Practice time. Complete the sentences. If you touch fire, it burn. If I be tired tomorrow, I go to bed early. If students not study, they not pass. Practice time. Answers. Complete the sentences. If you touch fire, it burns. 0 conditional. If I am tired tomorrow, I will go to bed early. First conditional. If students don't study, they won't pass. First conditional. Transform the sentences. Rewrite the sentences using the word in brackets. If you don't study, you won't pass the exam. Unless. If she arrives, we will start dinner. As soon as. If it rains, take an umbrella. In case. If I'm tired, I go to bed early. When. Transform the sentences. Answers. Rewrite the sentences using the word in brackets. If you don't study, you won't pass the exam. Unless. You won't pass the exam unless you study. If she arrives, we will start dinner. As soon as. As soon as she arrives, we will start dinner. If it rains, take an umbrella. In case. Take an umbrella in case it rains. If I'm tired, I go to bed early. When I'm tired, I go to bed early. Great job. Keep practicing. See you soon.